Hello, children. I once again welcome you back to your EVS classes. We were going through chapter 12, Animals Around Us, in which we have studied about different types of animals like domestic animals, pet animals, farm animals. Then we have also studied about wild animals and the animals, how they move, different ways the animal move. Then on eating habits, we have divided animals into three categories, that is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Now children, do you know some animals are there like vulture and jackal? They eat the flesh of dead animals. Now, taking care of animals. Animals are our friends. We should take good care of them. We should give our pet proper food and a clean place to stay. We should not be cruel to animals that live in the farms. We should give them food and shelter. Some animals, such as the horse and bullock, are used to pull carts. Some animals work with the farmers in their fields. We should not make them work for very long hours. They should get proper rest. So here children, in this paragraph we came to know about how should we take care of animals. Like animals are also our friends and we should take proper care of them. We should give our pet proper food. You might be having a pet at your home. Do you give proper food and water to it or not? Do you take special care or not? Do you give proper bath or not? Do you give proper place to sleep and live or not? Yes, you are doing everything. So it is our duty to keep the pet properly. Okay, we should keep the animals properly. We should not be cruel to animals that live in the farms or on the streets also. We should give them food and shelter. And there are some animals like horses, bullock, they pull carts. Okay, they pull carts. You might have heard na bullock cart and all, tonga. So these animals are used to pull the carts. So we should give them proper rest. We should not take work from them for a very long period of time. They should also get proper rest. Now, next page. Jungles are the homes of wild animals. We should not cut trees in the jungle as the wild animals would lose their homes. Hunting wild animals for fun is also wrong. And in the zoo, we should never tease the animals. We should not give them food or water. They might fall ill. So children, jungle is the natural home of wild animals. They live there, they grow there, they eat whatever they arrange over there only. We should not cut trees in the jungles or in the forest, as that is the natural home of wild animals. If we will cut trees, their home will come to an end. They will lose their homes. So we should not cut trees. Hunting animals for fun is also wrong. Like many people earlier, you might have heard kings, they moved out for hunting for fun. It is not good. We should not kill animals for fun, for our enjoyment. And in the zoo also you can find many animals, many wild animals. They are kept in the prison. So we should not do, but they are kept, it's okay. But one thing we can do, we should not tease them in the prison, in the zoo, and we should not also give them anything to eat, because they have their own eating habits. If we will give them something else, they may fall sick. So we should not give anything, any food or water to these wild animals which are there in the zoo. Okay, what are the other ways in which we should take care of animals? So children, you try to find out some other ways in which we can take care of animals. We will discuss it in our online classes. Now let's do it. In class 1, you have studied about some animal homes. Collect pictures of different animals and their homes and label and paste them in your scrapbook. This work you can do as your fun activity. You might be having your old books. You can take out the animals picture, the home in which they are living, that picture also, and you can paste and make a collection of animal homes. Okay, now summing up, this is the summary of the chapter, whatever we have studied yet. We will go through it in our next class. So children, now you have to read the chapter properly and have to learn all hard spellings. We will go through the summing up in our next class along with some exercises. Till then, take care. Thank you.